Refined oil versus cold-pressed oil. Which is healthier? In this video, let us explore the key differences between refined oil and cold-pressed oil, their impact on your health, and which one might be the better choice for you. Refined oil versus cold-pressed oil. Refined oils go through the process of extraction, bleaching, and deodorization. Whereas, cold-pressed oils are produced using a method that involves crushing the seeds or nuts without the use of heat. Refined oil making process removes impurities and increases the shelf life, but it also strips away the natural goodness of oil. On the other hand, cold-pressed oil making process helps retain the oil's natural flavor, color, and nutrients, making it a healthier choice for cooking and consumption. Sustainability. Cold-pressed oils are not just good for your health, they're also better for the environment, as they are free from chemicals and preservatives. This makes it a sustainable and an eco-friendly choice. Nutritional benefits. One of the major advantages of cold-pressed oil is its high nutritional value. It preserves essential nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are often lost in the refining process. Flavor and aroma. Cold-pressed oils are renowned for their distinct and robust flavors. These oils elevates the taste of your dishes to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about the numerous health benefits of using cold-pressed oil in your daily cooking. Cold-pressed oils are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, lower bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. Many people wonder if cold-pressed oil can be used for cooking. And the answer is yes. While it may have a lower smoke point compared to refined oils, cold-pressed oils are perfect for light sautéing, drizzling over salads, and adding a finishing touch to your dishes. In conclusion, cold-pressed oil is a nutritional powerhouse that not only enhances the flavor of your food but also contributes to your overall well-being. At Oilcure, we're dedicated to bringing you the finest quality cold-pressed oils to support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Log on to www.oilcure.com to check our wide range of cold-pressed oils. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you.